Hello, kitty. Sukalah snow. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here's a little update from the East Coast. It is snowing today on Sunday. Is it 22nd or 23rd? 22nd Sunday, about 1:30 in the afternoon. It started snowing. And we are expecting a blizzard, guys. And expecting about 24 inches. I hope not. And the last storm we had about 14 inches. Now we are expecting about 24 inches. Subhanallah, mashallah. I hope it's not true. I hope it's going to be less than a foot. A foot, sorry. All right. Say hi, Facebook. All right, kitty. He wants to be out, but the blizzard is coming, so gotta make sure he stays home. Alright guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam.